When it comes to camping, the right gear can completely transform your experience, from just surviving the outdoors to truly enjoying every moment of it. That's why, in this video, I'll walk you through 20 next-level camping gear items that are absolutely worth considering. So, let's dive in, starting with number 1. Me Sleeping Bag. Getting a good night's sleep outdoors can make or break your trip, and the Me Sleeping Bag is designed to deliver comfort wherever you set up camp. Made from lightweight polyester, it's both waterproof and compressible, making it easy to pack without weighing you down. Its rectangular design and zipper closure allow flexibility, while the synthetic insulation keeps you warm and dry even in damp conditions. Weighing just 1.3 kilograms, it's an ultralight choice for backpackers who don't want to sacrifice comfort for portability. Next up is the MyCoo Camping Backpack, which is all about convenience and capacity. With a total storage space of 45 liters, this backpack has plenty of room for your gear, food, and essentials. Despite its generous size, it's lightweight, just 12.8 ounces, and can even fold down when not in use. Its waterproof design ensures that your supplies stay protected from unexpected weather, making it a smart companion for hikers and campers alike. Number 3. HGD Fire Color Changing Packet. If you want to add some fun to your campfire, the HGD Fire Color Changing Packets are a unique addition. Simply toss one into the fire and watch the flames turn vibrant blue and green colors. They work with wood fires, weigh less than an ounce each, and create a mesmerizing visual effect that takes an ordinary campfire to the next level. Number 4. Spopple Portable Shower. After a long day outdoors, nothing feels better than a shower, and the Spopple Portable Shower makes that possible even in the wilderness. Built with a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it runs for up to 150 minutes on a single charge and recharges in about 3 hours. Lightweight and waterproof, this shower system delivers convenience and comfort, letting you clean up anywhere. Whether you're rinsing off mud, sand, or just cooling down, it's a game changer for extended camping trips. Number 5. Outland Living Portable Fire Pit. Unlike traditional wood fires, this propane-powered fire pit offers a smokeless and mess-free experience. Made with durable alloy and stainless steel, it delivers an impressive 58,000 BTU output, giving you steady warmth and an authentic campfire feel without the hassle of chopping wood. Weighing 23 pounds, it's still portable enough for RV or car camping, and it even comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. This is a reliable way to enjoy fires safely and cleanly at your campsite. Number 6. Thermacell E-Series Mosquito Repeller. Bugs can quickly ruin an otherwise peaceful camping trip. That's where the Thermacell E-Series Mosquito Repeller comes in. This compact device provides scent-free and flameless protection against mosquitoes for up to 9 hours per charge. It's lightweight at just 12.8 ounces and comes in a durable charcoal finish, blending right into your outdoor setup. Unlike sprays, there's no sticky residue or smoke, making it a clean and hassle-free way to keep your campsite bug-free. Number 7. The Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. When it comes to survival gear, versatility is everything. The Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet isn't just an accessory, it's a compact survival tool you can wear on your wrist. made from durable paracord. It can be unraveled in emergencies for tying gear, securing shelters, or other survival needs. Available in black or black and orange, this bracelet includes useful extras like a fire starter and whistle, making it an all-in-one tool that's both practical and easy to carry. Number 8. Xtauto LED Camping Lantern. Lighting is essential when the sun goes down, and the Xtauto LED Camping Lantern is designed to keep your campsite bright and safe. Offering 300 lumens of light with up to 25 hours of battery life. This lantern is powered by both USB and solar charging, so you'll never be left in the dark. It's waterproof, freestanding, and durable, built with ABS material to withstand rough conditions. With multiple charging options and a lightweight 2.3-pound design, it's a reliable source of light for any outdoor adventure. Number 9. Jisoo Life Handheld Mini Fan. Staying cool while camping is often overlooked, but the Jisoo Life Handheld Mini Fan makes it simple. This 3-in-1 device works as a fan, flashlight, and power bank, giving it multiple uses in a compact package. It runs quietly at just 60 decibels, offers 12 to 19 hours of cooling time, and can be easily recharged. Weighing only 124 grams, it's highly portable and perfect for hot days, hikes, or simply keeping fresh air moving inside your tent. Number 10. Unihand Rechargeable Hand Warmer. On the other end of the spectrum, cold nights can be a challenge. The Unihand Rechargeable Hand Warmer provides quick relief with adjustable heating levels that range up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. It's powered by a 6,000 mAh battery and charges via USB Type-C in about 4 hours. This compact aluminum warmer doubles as a power bank, adding extra convenience. With a 2-year warranty, it's a smart and dependable solution for staying warm when the temperatures drop. Number 11. Ski Camping Toilet. Hygiene is a key part of camping comfort, and the Ski Camping Toilet brings convenience to the great outdoors. Made from durable ABS plastic and weighing just 4.4 pounds, it's floor-mounted and features a 12-inch extra-long seat, providing comfort and stability. Compact yet practical, it's ideal for RV trips, car camping, or even remote campsites where restroom access is limited. Having a reliable toilet on hand can make a big difference in your overall camping experience. Number 12. HikeNture Camping Pillow. A good night's sleep starts with a supportive pillow, and the HikeNture Camping Pillow is designed for both comfort and portability. This inflatable, water-resistant pillow is lightweight at just 0.35 pounds, features a removable cover, and provides 4.7 inches of thickness for proper neck support. Its breathable polyester material ensures a comfortable night, and it's suitable for multi-position sleepers. A pillow like this proves that even small gear choices can significantly improve your camping comfort. Number 13. Gas One GS3400P Camping Stove. Cooking outdoors becomes effortless with the Gas One GS3400P Camping Stove. Made from alloy steel and metal, this stove runs on propane, including a 16.4-ounce cylinder. It's lightweight at just over 1 ounce, portable, and easy to set up, making it perfect for boiling water, cooking meals, or preparing coffee. For campers who enjoy hot meals in nature, this stove is reliable, efficient, and compact. Number 14. Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System. Clean drinking water is essential for any trip, and the Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System makes staying hydrated simple. It's a compact plastic filter weighing just 2 ounces, but it's capable of removing bacteria and protozoa from natural water sources. Lightweight, portable, and backed by a filter lifetime warranty. It's a must-have for hiking, backpacking, or off-grid camping. With this system, you can safely enjoy water from streams, rivers, or lakes without carrying bulky water bottles. Number 15. Coleman Camping Chair. The Coleman Camping Chair, a classic yet highly functional piece of outdoor furniture. Designed for durability, portability, and comfort, it supports up to 325 pounds and features adjustable seating, polyester filling, and a foldable cross-leg design. Its 18-inch seatback interior height and 24-inch seat height ensure a comfortable seating position for relaxing, cooking, or gathering around the campfire. Lightweight yet sturdy, this chair is perfect for any campsite setup. Number 16. Jackery Solar Generator. Power on the go is a game changer, and the Jackery Solar Generator delivers just that. With a 1,070 watt-hour battery capacity and 1,500 watts of output, it can charge multiple devices, power small appliances, and even run lights or fans at your campsite. Solar or battery-powered, it's incredibly versatile. At 23.8 pounds, it's portable enough to move around, and its fast charging capability ensures your devices are ready when you need them. Backed by a 5-year manufacturer warranty, this generator combines convenience, sustainability, and reliability for any camping adventure. Number 17. Hung Ye Time Hand Washing Soap. Staying clean outdoors is simple with the Hung Ye Time Hand Washing Soap. Lightweight at just 0.04 kilograms and featuring a rose scent. It's easy to carry and keeps your hands fresh and sanitized while camping. Simple hygiene tools like this might seem small, but they have a huge impact on comfort and health during extended outdoor trips. Number 18. Shop Square Fire Starter. Starting a fire in the wilderness has never been easier thanks to the Shop Square Fire Starter. Made from natural wax and wood, this lightweight stick helps ignite fires quickly without fuss. Weighing 3.11 kilograms, it's durable, reliable, and perfect for campfires, stoves, or emergency situations. With it, even beginners can enjoy a warm fire safely and efficiently. Number 19. Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock. Relaxation and comfort come to the next level with the Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock. Made from high-strength, rip-resistant 210T nylon, it's both durable and lightweight. Weatherproof and compact, it folds down to 5 by 5 inches, making it easy to carry. Its triple-stitched, tear-resistant design ensures safety, while the breathable nylon fabric keeps you comfortable in all weather. This hammock is perfect for lounging after a hike or just enjoying the outdoors in style and comfort. Number 20. Estwing Sportsman's Camping Hatchet. Finally, no camping gear list is complete without a reliable tool, and the Estwing Sportsman's Camping Hatchet fits the bill. With a leather handle and alloy steel blade, it's strong, durable, and lightweight at 1.86 pounds. At 14 inches, it's portable enough for travel, yet powerful enough to handle chopping firewood, kindling, or small branches. This hatchet is a must-have for campers who value safety, efficiency, and quality craftsmanship. And there you have it. 20 next-level camping gear items designed to make your trips safer, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and share it with fellow campers. I've also added Amazon links in the description below so you can check out each product for more details and current pricing.